Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary, and today what we're going to do is stuffed squash. But we're going to do it a little bit differently. I grew this bad boy in my garden. We're going to cut it in half, we're going to scoop out the seeds, and then we're going to put beans into it. Now this is a shortcut, and I'm not using this. I just want to let you know about it. Then we'll be mixing the beans with Farro. We'll be cooking this on the stove for 30 minutes. And then when it's ready, we're going to combine the beans, which I have cooked in the Instapot right over here. You can't see that yet. And then the beans and our Farro will make a complex protein. Then we will fill the entire squash, and then we're going to add one more addition to it. We're going to add dry roasted edamame. So come and see this, another unique way to be able to fill in your squash to get the protein that you need for your meals and add something different. That's what it's all about. See you in a few minutes.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
This is the Instapot, and what I've done is I've cooked great northern white beans, and as you can see, it's on. First it has to come to pressure. That takes about 5 minutes, and then it'll cook for 30 minutes, and then it'll vent for another 15 minutes afterwards. So this is the first step to starting this recipe. So why make your own beans? Well, these are quick and easy, but they have an enormous amount of salt. Like this one right here has got 470 milligrams of salt
Per serving, and each can has 3 servings.
Most people don't know this, but a plant has naturally some salt on board. It's not like somebody went out there and sprinkled salt in your garden. This is just normal. So when you're cooking the plant, you're getting salt. And if you're putting these canned beans in, you're getting salt. And if you're cooking rice, you might be getting more salt. And so what happens, you have way more salt than you need. That's the real reason why you should cook your own beans. You can cook your beans without salt. Alright, so we're going to go to our next step. Alright, so the beans are finished. No steam. And look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? See how plump they are? So they're perfect. Let me see. We're going to put this in a bowl. We're going to drain it. And then we're going to get ready to cut the squash. This is a double boiler, so what I'm doing, and then we'll put it in a bowl. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook Bob's Red Mill Organic Farro. Alright, so that's what we're doing next. So what this is right here is the water from the beans. We're going to cook the Farro into this water. So what we've done is, instead of throwing away the bean water, the residue, which a lot of people do, I'm saying use it and cook Farro. I'm going to rinse this off in the water next. We have a screen right here, and while we put it on, now we're going to put this back into that water that I have. Now we're going to put this in. Now that it's all washed. And we're going to cook it. Set it on boil. See the flames? Alright, so we'll see in a little bit. Just for the fun of it. A good grain with a chewy texture and rich nutty flavor.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.